Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the trailer and removing the wheel so you can access the hub. Use a rated jack and stands, then remove the cotter pin and axle nut. Keep parts in order. Pull the hub straight off and inspect both inner and outer bearings plus the bearing races and seal. Look for pitting, scoring, or metal dust. Those mean replacement. Once you see damage, plan to replace bearings and races rather than trying to reuse questionable components. You now clean and prepare the hub and bearings for reassembly. Use solvent to remove old grease, dry components, and recheck for hidden damage. If races or bearings show defects, you must replace them. Drive new races into the hub evenly using a race driver to avoid misalignment. Once parts are confirmed good, pack each bearing thoroughly with high-temperature marine or wheel bearing grease until no voids remain. Make sure the seal mating surfaces are clean, so the new seal will seat properly when installed. You reassemble by sliding the hub over the spindle, then installing the washer and axle nut. Tighten to seat bearings, then back off slightly to achieve the correct preload. Feel for slight resistance while allowing free rotation. Secure with a cotter pin and install the dust cap. Once done, spin the wheel. It should rotate smoothly without play. After a short test drive, recheck for heat and retorque if needed. If you hear grinding or see excessive play, stop and recheck bearing seating and torque as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.